The Avanti Gas Range Oven is the perfect choice for kitchens, apartments, RVs, and vacation homes. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience. This 20-inch freestanding gas range oven features a spacious 2.1 cubic foot capacity, allowing you to bake, roast, and broil with ease. Despite its compact size, it delivers outstanding cooking performance. Equipped with 4 sealed burners with electronic ignition, this gas range includes 1 rapid burner, 2 semi-rapid burners, and 1 simmer burner, making it highly versatile for all your cooking needs. The oven design is user-friendly and modern, featuring a seamless framed glass door, 2 oven racks, a convenient bottom storage drawer, and a broiler with an included broiling pan. Safety and convenience are prioritized with full-range temperature control, an oven light with an on-off switch, and a 60-minute timer. The built-in backsplash with integrated oven vents ensures proper air circulation for safer operation. This model is ADA compliant and comes with an LP conversion kit for added flexibility. Backed by Avanti's 1-year manufacturer limited warranty, it guarantees durability and peace of mind. Its sleek white finish complements any kitchen decor while providing a classic and clean look. The sealed burners prevent spills from leaking inside, making cleaning up after cooking effortless. With simple and intuitive controls, anyone can operate this gas range with confidence. Perfect for small space living, this appliance ensures you never compromise on cooking quality. For the latest price and more details, check the link in the description below. Happy cooking!